Welcome back to my channel. My name is Suraj. In this video, we are going to learn what is a data type. A data type is tells Python what kind of values variable stores. For example, text, number, true, false, and collections. Data type are important when you are cleaning or analyzing a data. And next, we are going to what kind of data. So first is the string. Okay, and a string store the text, for example Suraj and your city name or my city name. A string are inside of quotes, so we can see here it is written inside of quotes. Okay, and next we have here integer. So integer is basically a whole number like 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, any number which is not in a point. So and that is the integer. So integer can be positive, negative, or zero. Okay, next we have here for the floating point. So floating point is a nothing but it is a person, it is a containing a decimal values like a 550,000.50 and percentage 85.75. So that is the floating point. Next we have boolean. So boolean value represent the true or false. For example, is employee true? Is it employee true or false? Yes or no? So boolean are commonly used in condition or filtering the data. Next we have a list. Okay, so list is nothing but it stores multiple values in one variables. So you can see here we have 1000, 2000, and 3000. Please keep in your mind that what kind of um, open bracket and closing bracket we are applying here. So this is the list feature. We can change the order from ascending to descending or descending to ascending. Okay, so this is useful for to collect the data. Okay, and next we have tuples. Tuples a tuples is order collection. So like you can note it down. We have this kind of opening and closing bracket we are using in tuples. So tuple can't be normally changed after the creation, useful for fixed collection or values. Okay, second we have a set. Set stores unique values and deep like a HR, IT, sales. Duplicate values are automatically removed, and unique values are required, like your employee ID or some any department is the unique here. You can see here, correct. Next we have a dictionary. So dictionary is basically a stored data as a key value pairs, like your employee name. You can see here we have a name which is the column, and data is the Suraj. Age is the column, and the data is 30. We can store like this in a dictionary. Values are can be accessed using their key. Very very useful for structured data. So primary key is useful for structured data. Now we are checking the some tactics. So checking the data type. So this is the data type, you know that what kind of data. So this is the integer data type. So how we can check it? That is the function we have here, type. Okay, just to type here, like we have shown here, we have shown the example here. Print type age. So age is the variable. We have stored the data 30 inside of age, and this is printing the in type of age, what kind of data is it is stored. So this is how we can use type to know the data type. Okay, now we have multiple data type. So you can see here the name, which is this is my name. You can like store anything which you have. Okay, and this is what kind of data. This is the string data. This is the string data. Okay, age is the integer data. You know, we have just learned any number which is not in a percentage or not in a decimal, that is the integer number, that will be negative or positive, and also including a zero. So this is in integer number. Salary, so salary we have a point, this is the floating number. Okay, is it true or false? So that is the boolean number. Okay, we have just learned what kind of data it is. It is a list. Okay, list store this kind of means you can just opening and closing bracket remind in your mind. Okay, now we are moving to the next slide, that is the data type in data science. So text type column is a string, any like my name, like college name, like anything which is in a text, that is the string. Okay, and then any number which is count or sum. Also we can like some any number we can do that, sorry, but age is in integer, not in a point. So this kind of number is a integer number like age, and count number like count row. Okay, so sales percentage column is the example of floating point. Flags is the example of boolean point, on off. Okay, multiple record is the list and maybe the dictionary. Okay, correct data type makes analysis easier and more reliable. Now just practice by yourself, quick practice like creating a variables. Okay, your name, your age, your month, your salary, whatever you have a data, and just try to get what kind of data type you are getting. So how you can get it, just type and then open bracket, type the data type, and then close bracket, that will show you the type, means data type. Okay, so summary of this overall video, we have text type is a string, and integer type is whole number, floating type we have a decimal number, boolean type we have true or false, collection is the list, fixed collection is the tuple, unique collection is the set, and key value pairs is the dictionary. That's all for this video. Thank you. Thank you so much.